Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to read options on Robinhood. Options trading can seem complex, but with the right knowledge, you can make informed decisions and potentially increase your returns. First, let's start with the basics. An option is a contract that gives you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a predetermined price, known as the strike price. There are two main types of options: calls and puts. A call option gives you the right to buy an asset, while a put option gives you the right to sell an asset. When reading options on Robinhood, you'll see several key pieces of information. The first is the underlying asset, which is the stock or ETF that the option is based on. Next, you'll see the strike price, which is the price at which you can buy or sell the underlying asset. The expiration date is also important, as it's the last day that the option can be exercised. You'll also see the bid and ask prices, which are the prices at which you can buy or sell the option. The bid price is the highest price that a buyer is willing to pay, while the ask price is the lowest price that a seller is willing to accept. The spread is the difference between the bid and ask prices, and it's an important factor to consider when trading options. Another key concept is volatility, which is a measure of how much the price of the underlying asset is expected to fluctuate. Higher volatility means higher option prices, while lower volatility means lower option prices. You'll also see the delta, gamma, theta, and vega, which are known as the Greeks. These metrics help you understand how the option's price will change in response to changes in the underlying asset's price and volatility. To read options on Robinhood, start by selecting the underlying asset you're interested in. Then, choose the expiration date and strike price that you want to trade. You'll see a list of available options, along with their bid and ask prices. Look for options with a high liquidity, which is measured by the open interest and trading volume. When evaluating options, consider your investment goals and risk tolerance. If you're bullish on a stock, you may want to buy a call option. If you're bearish, you may want to buy a put option. You can also sell options, known as writing options, which can provide a steady stream of income. In conclusion, reading options on Robinhood requires a solid understanding of the key concepts and metrics involved. By following these steps and considering your investment goals and risk tolerance, you can make informed decisions and potentially increase your returns. Remember to always do your research and trade responsibly.